Good morning everyone. April 5, 2026. Ipagpatuloy natin ang ating panonood dito sa Search for Miss Didi Premier International 2026.
Number 26, number 25, number 6, or number 18. Let's find it out afterwards, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, bago yan. Okay lang ba kayo? Okay lang kayo, masakit yung mga paa nyo, di ba? Gusto nyo yan eh, parang ako din. Dito si Sir. Mr. Wancho,
After the serenade, you have to go up the stage for the next program. Candidate number 1 to 13 dito sa baba. And then candidate 14 to 26 sa taas. Dito, forward. Candidate 14 to 26. Yan.
Si Franz talaga, lakas ng boses.
Ayan nga ang maganda ay malakas.
Oo, mamaya malaman nyo.
Dikit-dikit candidates,
dikit-dikit.
14 to 26. Yan. I-balance po natin. Find your faces. Find your eyes.
Find your faces.
Alright, nasaan na po ang mag-serenade, sir?
Sige, libre, sumigaw. Isigaw nyo nga sinong bet nyo ngayong araw na to.
Bilisin po natin kasi otherwise walang
Beautiful. In my eyes, you are Let's give it up for these beautiful candidates. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much for the serenade, sir. You're one in a million. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will proceed to the minor awards. We are going to award from candidate number 1 to 23 for the special awards. So, candidate number 1, Lani Rosario. She is role model and an angelic face. Palakpakan natin siya. Miss Angelic Face. She is also an entrepreneur of DigiPreneur. Yan po sila. Member na lahat po ng ating lovely 25 candidates are already member of our great opportunity given by our CFO, Honorable Julian De La Cruz. Yan po, lahat po sila is meron ng Pilipinas. This is a lifetime commitment. Thank you so much. Candidate number 2, Marian Manal, Miss Star Model or Miss Fashionista. Please go in front. Miss Fashionista. Congratulations, Miss Marian Manal.
Anong award niya?
Number 3, Jenny Miss Claire Corporal, Miss Charming, Miss Captivating Beauty. Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Miss Miss Charming and Miss. Thank you, candidate number 3. Pila-pila na po lahat yung mag-ano dito. Magbigay ng sas, pila-pila na. Candidate number. Palakpakan naman natin po siya. Dire-diretso na po tayo. Candidate number 5. Sir, ilagay mo na yung corona. Candidate number 5, Miss Captivating Beauty and Miss Seductive. Get ready po yung magbibigay ng sash and crown. Candidate number 6, Catalina Pascua, Miss Stunning Beauty, and Miss Elegant. Thank you, candidate number 4 and number 5. Miss Catalina Pascua, Miss Stunning Beauty, and Miss Elegant. Thank you, candidate number 6. Mr. Model and Miss Body Beautiful. Candidate number 8. Thank you, candidate number 8. Candidate number 9, Miss Angelic Face and Miss Elegant, Sheila Marie Abobo. Angelic Face and Miss Elegant. Okay, thank you, candidate number 8. Miss Angelic Face and Miss Elegant. Candidate number 10, Gemma Asuncion, Miss Gorgeous, and Miss Role Model. Thank you, candidate number 9. Number 10, Miss Gemma Asuncion, Miss Gorgeous, Miss Role Model.
Kailangan yung buko yung candidate mo. Matangkan. Mataas ang taon.
Number 11, Jenny Cabral, Miss Alori Beauty, and Miss Pretty Face. Jenny Cabral, Miss Alori Beauty, and Miss Pretty Face. Thank you. Marie Casquite, Miss Generosity, and Miss Charming. Miss Marie Casquite, Miss Generosity, and Miss Charming. Rona Katapang, Miss Fashionista and Miss Star Model. Candidate number 30. Miss Fashionista and Miss Star Model. Lucille Cantillas, Miss Conjutive, Miss Gorgeous, and Miss Magnetic Beauty.
Swerte naman ang jowa nila. May crown na. Ito nang umiyak.
Crown for Miss Mylene Opiasa. Miss Alori and Miss Gorgeous, meron na po. Please go ahead with the crown and the sash. Candidate number 19, Rachel Mendoza, Miss Captivating Beauty, and Miss Gorgeous.
Okay, for our candidate number 21, Miss Captivating Beauty and Miss Congeniality, Miss Alma Antiojo.
Miss Alma Antiojo, Miss Captivating, and Miss Congeniality. Thank you, candidate number 21.
Candidate number 22, Miss Selective,
Please go on the crown. Sa gitna.
Miss Fashionista and Miss Celebrity of the Day, and Body Beautiful and Miss Stunning Beauty.
Now, the last but not the least, candidate number 26, Christine Dizon, Miss captivating beauty.
Sinong photogenic natin?
Miss Photogenic.
Let's close up smile. Photogenic po.
Wow! Ang ating generous na photographer.
Choreographer's choice is
Okay.
none other than candidate number 8.
May dalawa
And number
20. 19 and 20.
19 and 20.
Si Al.
20.
Sa pa.
Miss
Star of the
Ambassador.
day. Wow.
And number 14.
Number 10, 11, and 14.
Miss Ambassador. Tatlo ang Miss Ambassador. Wow, ito ang mga Miss Ambassador.
Tatlo. Ng candidate number 10, number 11, and number 14.
Miss Ambassador. Congratulations. Miss Ambassador. 10, 11, and 13 yata. Ay, hindi. I'm not sure.
Now let's welcome Miss Celebrity Queen number 22.
Wow!
Alma, Celebrity Queen number 11. Miss Celebrity Queen number 14. So tatlo po sila. 22, 11, and 14.
22, 11, and 14. Celebrity Queen. Celebrity Queen, 22, 11, and 14.
Celebrity Queen 22, 11,
11 and 14.
11 and 14.
22, 11, and 14.
Celebrity Queen po.
Bilisan yung mga bebe.
Sino pa ang walang sas sa Celebrity Queen? Okay, lahat na meron kayong sariling crown din. Uy! Tatlo yan sila. Celebrity Queen Ambassador. Celebrity Queen, please come forward. Number 22, number 11, and number 14. Dito ka, mag-picture kayo.
22, 11, and 14. Ayan ang mga celebrity queen.
Malapit na yun. Okay, bilisan na natin guys. Is there any result already for the final? Final result.
Miss Globe 2026. Sir. Miss Globe 2026. Juliet Morcilla.
Number 23, Miss Juliet Marcela. Number 23. Miss Globe. Okay, sa'yo na ang globo. Sa'yo na ang globo. Center for the top 10. Wala pa tayong top 10. Number 25. Number 17.
10.
Isabella. Miss Goddess Atara.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Last but not the least, yung kanina po.
Yes, we will go down. Candidate number 6.
Please come forward, candidate number 6.
For our top 4. Candidate number 9.
Candidate number 9.
Isa na lang. Sino pa kaya?
At isa na lang.
Isa na lang.
For our candidate number 2, complete our top 4. Candidate number 18. Okay, for our final round, the Q&A. Meron tayong Q&A, akala nyo wala. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our top 4 batting for a Miss Digipreneur Season 1 who will be crowned. Will it be candidate number 6, number
Candidates.
25,
Meron. Yes.
number 18, and number 9. Let's find it out for crowning of our third runner-up. Third runner-up, crowning of our third runner-up. Okay, kay Ma'am Aiko. Huwag mo na umalis dyan, Alma. Sabay-sabay tayo. Okay.
Lahat naman kayo panalo. Di ba?
Sorry
Lahat
guys,
kayo may
masakit ang
crown.
pa-accent. Ang kagaling talaga ng mga judges. Grabe. Mas mataas yung grades nila ay oo kaysa nung college ako. Okay. 91.86% who is our third runner-up.
The runner-up goes to candidate number 9.
Candidate number 9, Miss Sheila Maria Buko.
Catalina Pascuales from Ilocos Norte. Congratulations, candidate number 6.
Din ang grand winner. So ang may iwan ay ang runner-up.
Partner, tandaan po natin na pag ang queen is hindi niya na nagawa kanyang responsibility, automatic ang first runner-up.
Aba, parang Miss Universe talaga
Now,
yun.
we are going to call the
In the
grand winner
absence.
first. Yes?
In the absence of our grand winner, the first runner-up will take place, okay? But for now, we are going to announce our grand winner. Garnered an average score of 95.21%. Ladies and gentlemen, straight up, because we are going to announce our queen. Our queen is none other candidate number 18! Miss Digger Alcalde! Our first runner-up muna. First runner-up muna. Our first runner-up garnered an average score of 94.72%. We are going to crown our first runner-up first. Para magkaroon siya ng type naman, yung first runner-up natin. Okay. Other than Miss Rayhart, yung judges, kasi grabe ang mga scores na binigay ninyo. Grabe. Lahat sila ang tataas ng mga ano ninyo. Alcaide. Grand winner! Queen, grand winner.
Miss Digipreneur International Season 1 2026. Another candidate number 18.
Yes. Brought to you by Spartan International.
Once again, thank you so much
Once
sa
again,
ating mga
thank you so much.
sponsors,
Judges.
judges, ladies and
Candidates,
gentlemen,
thank you so much.
candidates. See you again soon.
See you for our season 2.
Picture taking na kayo. Candidates, picture taking na
Maraming
kayo.
salamat guys.
Candidates, picture taking na
Maraming
kayo.
salamat guys.
Thank you everyone. See you in my next video. I love you all.